Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you know what time of year it is? It's that time of the year. It is time for 12 days of foundation hunt. If you are new here, that is where I upload a new video every day in a row for 12 days of me testing out a new foundation. I'm excited, I feel like a lot of the picks this year are ones that I get a lot of questions about. So I hope you guys are excited to see it. We're kicking it off with one that's a little, some of you may have side-eyed this. I side-eyed it myself when I was purchasing it. If you do not know what I'm talking about a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago, Beauty Blender, the sponge that everyone talks about. I feel like if you're a makeup enthusiast, makeup artist, makeup professional, you've if not purchased a Beauty Blender, you've at least thought about it one good time because everyone talks about it. It is the sponge that everyone uses to do their makeup, right? Well, about a year, I don't know, maybe 2, I really don't remember when this foundation came out, but a while ago, the brand decided they were going to launch a foundation, and ooh, did that not go well, like at all. Y'all, besides the actual, because it was around the time where, like people were really, not just, because people have been talking about the lack of shade ranges for years, but at least when it became that trend of people talking about it and calling it out, and they put out a range that was just not, it wasn't good there. But it wasn't just the range that made the launch bad, it was how the brand decided to handle it. They kind of took that like Tarte route of not explaining themselves well on why they didn't put out a good shade range. Like Tarte was like, well, like we put like shades out by season. Okay, I guess I only get dark in the summertime, that's why there weren't any in the winter, I don't know. But Beauty Blender says something like, they put out the shades because they wanted to focus more on Latinas, and then people were like, y'all know Afro-Latinas exist, Latinos, not just women wear makeup there. It just did not go well for them with everything that they said, because everything they said, it was just like so now, however many years later it is, I have the foundation. I actually still get a good amount of requests to do a foundation hunt on this. Sephora claims that it has my exact shade match, so we are about to find out. So you guys want to see how this goes, and just stay tuned. So this is the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. This retails for $40. You get 1.0 fluid ounces. This now comes in 40 shades according to Sephora. My shade is Blend 4.40. Let's see, what do they say about this foundation? A weightless liquid whip foundation with a multi-dimensional velveteen matte finish that wears for up to 24 hours. Full coverage, matte finish, liquid formulation for normal, dry, and combination skin types. Notice they didn't say oily there, and I have oily skin. That's pretty much it there on the description. I think another thing that was supposed to be like a seller for this foundation, because they are, the company that popularized sponges, or at least that shaped type sponge. The packaging is made so that you can like dispense the product in this little dip here with your sponge. I don't really use sponges like that, so I don't think I'm going to use that, but that's a selling point for this. So how do I? Now, because your girl is not only filming 12 days of foundation hunt, but vlogmas as well. Y'all know this time of the year I do a full face when I'm doing these foundation hunts, but like everything is gonna pretty much stay the same. The only thing that's going to change day by day is the foundation. So primers, I already put those on, are the Milk Hydro Grip and the Farsali Liquid Glass. I'm really just using the same things I use every day, just changing out the foundation. Okay, so can you dispense it not on the product? I don't think, wait. Oh, is it locked? All right, so that's what one pump looks like there. I might need 2, but let's see what one gives us. Maybe not. Maybe I really don't need to. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with one. All right, I'm gonna just go ahead and blend that out. So this is just the foundation on my face, and this will be my face for the day. So it is currently 12:17. I'm gonna check in at midday, and then I will see you guys back here so we can see how my face held up. Okay, it is 5 o'clock, and this is what my face looks like. I'm starting to get oily in my T-zone, but other than that, I really don't have any complaints, really. It's just my oil is starting to show, but this didn't claim to be a foundation for oily skin. Okay, so I am back. It is 7:24, and this is what my face looking like. I feel like it's pretty safe to say that I wasn't missing much in the year or however long it's been since this foundation launched. It's not a bad foundation, it's just not one that I feel the want to pick it up again after making this video. You know, it didn't claim to be for oily skin. I have been using foundations lately that still are not made for oily skin, that still hold up a lot better on my face. But being that it's not made for oily skin, you can't really be mad at it there. You know, my oil started showing through a little easy there on my face. I mean, it didn't move, like it's not separating. It's not like my face is slip sliding all over the place, so there's that. I feel, oh God, I forgot to grab something so I can blot my face. I'll be right back, so I actually want to see it blotted. Better, we can give it that. It's better once I blot my oil away. I feel like this is the foundation for like those little quick events. Not so much, you know, like going to run errands or stuff like that, but if you're going somewhere and you're trying to, you know, do up your face, but you know you're not gonna be there for a long time, like what's something that takes a long time? Like, don't wear this to like a Haitian wedding or something like that, y'all know, or a Haitian church service, right? Y'all know that takes a good, what, 8 hours there? Don't wear this for something like that, all right? But like, I don't know, a kid's birthday party, how long do you spend at a birthday? I'm there for an hour max and then I'm out. So kid's birthday party, you know, like little short events, I don't know, a parent teacher night, like short events like that is what I could see you pulling this foundation out for. I'm not feeling it for, you know, like long term because I have oily skin. If you don't, then I really don't think, you know, you'll have much to worry about there. As far as the color goes, I'm not mad at the shade match, but I also feel like, I don't know, maybe she oxidized, so I'm feeling a little orangey. I haven't actually seen how it picks up on camera during the day, or y'all know I can't see right now anyway. So I don't know how it picks up on camera, but you know, in person, I feel like I'm catching like slight orangeness, especially when I look in a mirror in like normal lighting. But other than that, I'm not mad at the shade match. I was thinking either this one, what is this, 4.0? This is 4.40. I was thinking either this shade or 4.45. I believe they're both neutral undertones. Y'all know sometimes neutral can give you some slight orange vibes there, so I'm really not surprised by that. But yeah, I don't think it's a bad foundation. I just think it's one of those like, okay, you know, when you've tried as many foundations as I have, you know, you get to a point where you're just kind of like, if you're not making me do backflips when I try it, I will probably easily forget. And I feel like that's what it is with this foundation there. But you know, she's cute, like natural. Could this be an everyday? Actually, I could see this as like an everyday, like casual foundation. Not so much like full glam type thing, but you know, like everyday school foundation or something like that. I feel like y'all can see I'm just kind of like, yeah, you know, it's there, it's on my face. But it's not horrible, right? So that's a good start to 12 days of foundation hunt. Hopefully it only gets better from here. But that is pretty much it for this foundation. And now that that is out of actually that's not out of the way, let me go ahead and insert a flash test right here. And now that that is out of the way, I can let you guys know that not only are 12 days of foundation hunt back, but my holiday giveaways are back. I'm doing one in this video. And because you guys made it to this part of the video, go ahead and comment down below. What are you gonna comment down below? Go ahead and comment down below what you are having for dinner tonight. Be subscribed to my channel, and just like that, you are entered to win the giveaway. I like to keep it real simple over here with giveaways. Okay, so just do that and you'll be entered, and I keep my giveaways open for a week. If you guys were not here this time last year and you're wondering like what is the actual giveaway, it's just a box makeup. You know, like those priority mail boxes. I just grab a bunch of those boxes and I just pour a whole bunch of makeup into them. So if you would like to win one of those boxes, I'm looking right at them. If you would like to win one of those boxes, just do that down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is it for day 1 of 12 days of foundation hunt. For those of you who wanted to see a foundation hunt on this foundation, you know, I hope seeing it helps there. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.